The stamen consistency of the another and the filament is the pollen producing part of the flower. The pistil comprised of the stigma, stels and ovary houses the ovals awaiting fertilization. Pistils around the reproductive structures attractive pollinators with their vibrant colors and shapes. Spells protect the developing flower world before it blooms, often appearing as a small green leaf-like structures. Pollen produced by the stamen constitutes the male reproductive cells necessary for plant fertilization. The ovary within the pistil constitutes ovule, the female reproductive cell ready to be fertilized by pollen. Pollination occurs when pollen grains are transferred from the stems as the stigma of a flower. Bees fertilization pollination. By pollination, nectar and inadvertently transferring pollen between flowers. The transfer of a pollen of the stigma is initial for plant fertilization and the production of the seeds and fruits. Open loading and the stigma of pollen grain generates and influences the growth of a pollen tube. The pollen and goes through the stels, creating a pathway from sperm cell to access the ovary. This tube serves as a conduit, enabling sperm cell to reach to ovaries for fertilizations. The pollen tube extends to the ovary, delivering sperm cell to the ovule. Once sperm cells focus on the reducing in fertilizations and the certain of a zygote. Fertilization is the prevalent step in the sexual reproduction of flower plants. Following fertilization, the ovule undergoes the development to form a seed which contains their new plant. Concurrently, the ovary expands and matures into a fruit, providing protection for the developing seeds. The fruit serves as a protective structures of the seeds during their development. Wind dispersal involves seeds being carried away from the parent plant by air current. Seeds dispersal also occur when animals consume fruits and extract the seeds in the new locations. Seeds dispersal allow plants to conclude new area and continue their life cycle. Various methods of seed dispersal ensure plant survival and expansion. The stems, the male reproductive part of flower consists of the another and filament. The another is responsible of producing pollen which concentrates the male genetic material. This pistil, the female reproductive part compares the stigma, style and ovary. The ovary located at the base of the pistil house the ovules awaiting fertilizations.